Hi everyone, my name is Maureen Tersmanovich. My friends call me Maura. I'm from Lenoka Harbor, New Jersey, which is north of Atlantic City and south of Seaside and Toms River, where the roller coaster went into the ocean during Superstorm Sandy. I work in Little Egg Harbor Township, New Jersey, which is about 20 minutes from my house. I have two children. My daughter is a speech language pathologist, and my son is a software developer. And I have my husband Al, he is retired, and I have my two dogs. And my mom lived with us until January when she passed away. In school, I am an Orton Gillingham teacher, and I'm an interventionalist. I teach kids who either are diagnosed with dyslexia or are struggling readers. I have kids in grades 3 through 6 all throughout the day for about 30 to 40 minutes per period. And I'll follow either an IEP or I'll just do different interventions to try to improve their reading. In Fort Hays, I'm working on a master's in education with a concentration, as a reading specialist. And what I hope to get out of class is to learn how to use more strategies to help my students uh, progress better with reading and help me with writing curriculum and programs. So I look forward to meeting all of you and having a good semester. Thank you.